My chosen medium, art for art's sake, is a phrase that became popular in the 19th century, coined by French philosopher Victor Cousin, and is closely associated with the philosophy of aestheticism. It emphasizes the intrinsic value of art, asserting that art should be appreciated for its own beauty and expression, rather than serving any social, political, or moral purpose. But art for art's sake does not exactly entail that art is made for beauty and ideals alone. An example of an artist in artwork demonstrating art for art's sake is Mark Rothko, and is one of many paintings orange and yellow. His painting is an abstract piece that features an orange and yellow rectangle over a bright orange canvas. Yet, as Rothko himself states, I'm not an abstractionist. I'm interested only in expressing basic human emotions, tragedy, ecstasy, doom, and so on. Although slightly paradoxical, art for art's sake champions the idea that art needs no justification. Art itself is the justification for pursuing art. Rothko also stated that a painting is not a picture of an experience, but is the experience. For my artwork, which represents the idea of art for art's sake, I composed a digital painting, which I simply call Clouds. I started composing my artwork at 7 p.m. of August 24 at my home in Pasay. Creating this work was a journey, not only because it took me a week of trial and error to make, but it made me think how it contrasted with my environment. With the tininess of the paint installation, I thought of what was happening outside. Particularly, the volcanic smog that plagued much of the NCR. At the time, the effects of the smog were diminishing, yet with the experiences of the event, it made me realize how much I took for granted our clear weather. I tried many times thinking of what purpose I created my artwork for, but in the end, I simply expressed my intentions to illustrate my desire for a sky unmuddied by pollution. Similar to Rothko's previous quote, my painting was born not of a scene in reality, but of an experience itself. I wanted to make my artwork for art's sake, to involve myself in the process and enjoy it. But to me at least, art for art's sake represents art with the purpose of being made, seen and appreciated, even by the artist alone. It does not need to carry a great sense of meaning or belief. Art can be as simple as a painting of clouds.